Recovering deleted messages on Indeed can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you retrieve those messages. Step 1. Check your email. Look in your email inbox for any notifications or messages from Indeed. Sometimes, important messages are sent to your registered email, and you may find the information you need there. Step 2. Log into your Indeed account. Access your Indeed account by visiting the website and logging in with your credentials. This will allow you to access your account settings and message history. Step 3. Navigate to the Messages section. Once logged in, go to the Messages section of your account. This area typically contains all your previous communications, including any that may not have been permanently deleted. Step 4. Use the search function. If you have many messages, use the search function to find specific conversations. Enter keywords or the name of the person you are communicating with to quickly locate the messages you need. Step 5. Contact Indeed support. If you still cannot find your deleted messages, reach out to Indeed's customer support for assistance. They may be able to help you recover lost messages or provide guidance on what to do next. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your deleted messages or at least find alternative ways to access the information you need.